In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to dark mode in Canva. If you do a lot of design work at night, or you simply prefer a dimmer interface that's easier on the eyes, switching to dark mode can make your workspace feel calmer and more comfortable, while keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Before we begin, make sure you're on the main Canva dashboard. That's the home screen you see after you open Canva, where your recent designs, templates, and folders are displayed. You don't need to open any design files for this. Everything happens right from the dashboard. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It's a small circular button that usually shows your photo or initials. Go ahead and click that icon to open your account menu. This menu contains quick controls related to your account and appearance. Inside that menu, find the option labeled Themes and click it. This is where Canva groups the appearance choices for the interface. In the Themes area, select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, the interface will switch instantly. You'll notice the background, side panels, and toolbars adopt a darker palette designed for low-light viewing. If you don't immediately see the profile icon, make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far or hidden behind other apps. Maximizing the window or reducing your zoom slightly can help reveal the bottom left corner. The Themes option lives inside that same profile menu, so once the menu is open, it should be easy to spot. After switching, take a moment to scan your workspace. Text, icons, and buttons will adjust for contrast, so your tools remain readable and accessible. This change only affects Canva's interface. It won't alter the colors of your actual designs, brand kits, or any exports you've already created. Dark mode can reduce visual fatigue, especially during extended sessions, and it often looks great in creative environments. It can also help focus your attention on the canvas by minimizing bright distractions around your design. If you collaborate with others, they'll see their own chosen theme on their devices. Your personal theme is just that, personal. That's all there is to it. From the main dashboard, click your profile icon at the bottom left, open Themes, and choose Dark. It's simple, fast, and reversible whenever you want to refresh your workspace. Enjoy designing in a more comfortable, eye-friendly interface, and keep creating with clarity and confidence.